All right, this is Lil Scott. We're out here again on the bike practicing. Still got snow in the background, but we're having fun. And I ran into a frat brother that I met when I was getting my hair cut on my previous barber. And he rides. He's been riding longer than I have, but we ride that exact same bike. He's got I think a 21 front wheel on it. His looks a little higher than mine, but yeah, his name is Kendra, and I think we're gonna try to hook up, invite him out here to practice, and then ultimately ride with him. But we both got to assess each other's skill. He's in a club, and looks like he rides a lot. Well, I practice a whole lot, so he can teach me things more on the highway probably, and we'll see where the skills are with slow speed maneuvering. So that's good. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's good. All right. That's pretty much it for right now. I'm not doing any real big practicing. We still got a lot of water coming off. But I did some. I did my U-turns, bigger U-turns. I haven't been on the bike in about 3 weeks. So I'm doing like 24. I'm not doing anything super tight. And cleaned off my pipes. I got my brake light on the back. Couldn't remember the name of the brake something. Yeah, but black side's looking good. Looking real good. I'm happy with it. Get ready to get back here. I got me some new handlebar bushings I'm gonna have put on. I'm getting a little bit of a flex in my bars. Not a whole lot, but I just want to make sure that nothing's gonna give way. And I'll have it for its 10,000 mile checkup. It's gonna go in. So I got right at almost 10,000 miles on it now. And she's running good. Oh yeah, I put my Figurati vented dipstick. I had the fueling. I actually like the fueling set up a little bit better. The vent tube goes all the way down to the bottom of the reservoir. The vent tube here is up in the cap, so air has to come up to the cap, and fueling air comes up through the vent tube, which probably more likely to get any air or blow by. It's actually, if you think of the PCV valve on a car, that's basically what this is. And it filters up. I got it wrapped around to a filter under the bike where it evaporates out to the atmosphere, and you don't get any oil stains or anything like that under the bike. But that's it. So I got my Reinhardt air cleaner on, my Reinhardt headers, going into my Reinhardt 4.5 clip-ons. Got my Stage 2 107, nice mild little cam, nothing too big. Got my sound sleeve, Hertz speakers and amplifier SoundStream head unit, and running 6 speakers all together. No subs. I thought I was going to put the subs in, but I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to do it. It'd take up too much room, and like I like to carry my rain gear on the tool sack, and it sounds okay. I like a little bit more thump on the bottom end, but I don't think I'm going to do anything. Yep. And I got my chrome front end. I got all my lights on it. Upgraded all the lights. Every single light bulb has been changed and added. You see the Fortuny lights on the side. The chrome port all the way up. That's an upgrade. Lights in the lower's on. Lower protection bars on the crash bars. Of course, I got my foot peg, highway peg, Then upgraded all my filter linkage, or the heel toe shifters, plus the linkage coming off the transmission right there. Upgraded all that. Of course, 6x9s in the lids, 6.5 down the lower, 6.5 up front. And that's pretty much it. All right, that's Blackfire. All right, see y'all later. Bye.